So this is my Nepenthes Miranda. It has a nice little hunchback. And this came together with this one in the same pot. I decided to separate them, as you can see. I clipped the flower spike that was coming out, and that pushed growth into 2 different shoots, which is cool. But I also noticed the basil down here that I dug out a little bit. Let's see if that picture will go. It probably won't. I'm actually gonna cut it. Oop. And I'll actually cut the very tip of the next leaf, because I know that this is a strong grower and it'll just focus growth into the next shoot and become a bigger plant faster. Very nice. Let's see the other one. And it looks a lot different, somewhat. But I feel like that hunchback isn't as present, you know? Got first upper or semi-upper. This one's doing real well. And it has its own basil here. That was a whoopsie. I didn't mean to do that. I'm gonna let this picture out and just be beautiful. See how it comes out.